Welcome to Sabandliz podcast.
What is that hand? Why is your hand a crocodile?
Remember those walls I built, crumbling down, and you light a halo, got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened, every rule I had to break it.
Man, I don't want to see you. Get out of the way, you're ruining nature. Get out of here, get out of here. Whoa.
Hi guys, today welcome to MTV Cribs, guys. How does the wizard live? Open this shit. Whoa, it's so like big and yeah.
This is room where old magic happens with my sister. Yeah.
Okay, with my sister.
It's so normal, honey. We do
Really?
Incest is normal and legalized. Okay. This is our living room, dining room, kitchen, everything. If you want water, don't drink it here, honey. You'll get poisoned. We got some things going on here. Let's check the minibar. Wow, empty. Wait. Now let's get the show. Oh my god, dear Lord.
Wow.
This is the shower.
This is made for.
How will we survive? Let's check the mirror. If I'm ugly, I'm not staying. Okay, let's go.
How do you do sturdy? Okay, so you do this? No, not like that. You do. Fly. You do this. Do you see?
We're the same thing.
Fuck is that? No, you do this, and then do this like you're running, and then just this. Yeah, that's.
Oh my god.
That's a sturdy. What is this?
It's a picture.
I'm filming.
You think it looks like
No, Liz.
I'm realizing stuff?
Yeah, you look very serious. This is so beautiful.
Does this look good?
Mm-hmm.
Why everywhere?
I like it.
So what are we gonna do?
We're gonna go for a hike.
Oh, okay.
And
But where?
Where everywhere. Anyone know how you can put this off, man?
Realize.
This is how you do it, guys. Here's the dinner. All your extras. One there. What do you mean?
The other ones in here. The red flags.
Oh, okay. I didn't get. Look what he gave us. So nice.
So nice, man. You pretty bouncy. It's so beautiful here. Really beautiful.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. Nature is like the most beautiful thing ever.
Guys, we're leaving. We're going home because the shower is really small.
And Liz is not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well, and I really don't like small showers. And then where I do my skincare, it has to look like hygienic, you know.
And we're just not feeling it. It's a really beautiful place. But we're just,
It's not the vibe.
yeah, we're just gonna go for a tea.
Yeah, I really don't feel well, and I still came.
Wow, thank you. That's such an honor, the Wizard Liz.
Now we are here, and closer to home every time.